So right now, got a good look at gold. So my first target, is actually going to be down here. So we should see $600 per lot, but I think I'm going to take one of them home just to secure some profit. So it's $300 to add to the account. So balance what I can close right now. And it's just dumping. For this guy, I can see going higher to like keep playing. So we got 77 bucks each on that one. And then the pound. It was like a last minute one. I normally don't trade it at all based on how messy my charts are. But it was a good call. So considering what it's doing, I'm gonna take one of those home as well. And then I'll probably set a second one for 200 right around that spot location. But I have plenty of trades open. It's just a waiting game now. So by far, I'll say trading is not an easy skill unless you make it easy, which just comes from learning. You can't just jump in and make a lot of money, but there is a lot of money to be made. It just depends on how hungry you are. Are you hungry enough to gain the knowledge you need? Gain mastery? If so, it's time for you to get started. If you found this video interesting, feel free to give it a like, subscribe. Anything related to Forex trading, stocks, investing is definitely going to be the focus of this channel.